Everyone, we want to look at general solution. There are other videos that we have done general solutions. I think there are 4 or 5 in our channel. So this one is specifically for grade 12s. We're going to do general solution but for compound angles. So let's start by looking where do we find the compound angles in our formula sheet. In our formula sheet there are 4 compound angles. So you really need to know them. You don't have to memorize them. You need to know where to find them in the formula sheet, and also you need to recognize them on a question paper. So when you look at this one, it says cos angle minus 30. So this is a compound angle. We're going to start with that. Let's do that. General solution, you are actually solving for x. So here it's cos x minus 30. So in our formula sheet, as I told you that there are 4. So you're going to look for the one that has cos angle and another angle and a minus between them, because we have minus 30. So it's this one, cos alpha minus beta is equals to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So it's cos sin, and the sign changes. If it's negative, it's going to be positive. So you really don't have to worry about that. Always look at your formula sheet and write it from there. Let's do that. We're going to have cos x cos 30 minus, because it's minus, it's going to be plus sine first angle x sine 30, and then it's equals to 2 sine x. But cos 30 sine 30 is a special angle, so we can do that with our calculator. Let's do that. Okay, cos 30, gonna press cos 30 in your calculator equals to, it's square root 3 over 2 cos x plus sine 30, gonna press sine, then 30 equals to, it's a half, 1 over 2 sine x is equals to 2 sine x, right? When you look at this, it's cos, this one it's sine, this one it's sine. So I can take the sine to the other side. They will be like terms. I have square root 3 over 2 cos x is equals to, when it comes this side it will be minus, so I'll have 2 minus half. I'll have 3 over 2 sine x. You remember when you have a cos same angle, sine same angle, you can change it to tan. Divide by cos x, divide by cos x. This will be square root 3 over 2 is equals to 3 over 2 sine over cos is the same as tan. Okay, so I want to leave tan by itself, so I'm going to multiply both sides with, or I can divide it by 3 over 2. So I have square root 3 divide by 2 divide by 3 over 2. Okay, I actually have tan x is equals to square root 3 over 2 over 3 over 3, not 2, over 3. Then we find the reference angle. Our reference angle is equals to shift tan fraction square root 3 over 3. It's 30. So x is equals to 30 plus, because it's tan, the period is 180 times k, and you have to add that k is an element of integers. Okay, when you have done that, you've actually found the solution. Right, what you need to remember in this question, is that you really need to know where, when you find a compound angle, look for them. It's only in grade 12. It's a grade 12 syllabus. Get your formula sheet, do the compound angle, especially if it has a special angle, because when you have a special angle, you'll punch that, you'll get numbers, then it will be fine. Also, go back and revise your grade 11 general solution rules, so that you know that if it's tan, it's general solution, that angle plus 180 times k, and you need to add that as well, because you get a mark for that. I hope you practice. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching.